My children were left thinking that I didn't want to see them. Who's feeding them this information? Yet if I bring it up, I'm not allowed to tell them. I get told I don't get any visits. My children think that I wasn't there because I didn't want to see them. Then your court report says that I called him and said, screw off, I'm not going to go, or that I canceled the meetings. You know that's totally false.
Well, actually, what you're just referencing,
I read it in black and white, so...
You left a voicemail at Children's Division stating that you wouldn't remove anything from your blog.
That's right. I did say that. He has no jurisdiction.
You didn't see Sean again, then you didn't see Sean again.
He has no jurisdiction over my site.
So if you read what I wrote, I said, Christy left a voicemail at Children's Division refusing to remove anything from her blog and indicating that she would not see Sean again.
I did not say that, number one. Number two, do you have a copy of that voicemail?
No, we don't record our voicemails.
Okay. Well, fortunately, my computer does. So I know every single incoming call I've ever had. So from the very start where you said that you called me repeatedly and couldn't get a hold of me, that's not true. I can go back to April. I can go back to 2007. Every single call that has come into my phone or every single call I have placed out, I can see right here. Not a single one gets erased. It's here, the records forever. So whatever these voicemails you say I'm leaving, I mean, I'd like to see them because they're not here.
Okay. Well, basically I was calling to set up an appointment to do a home visit. If you'd like me to come out and do a home visit, that's fine. If not, I just need something in writing that says you don't want us to come out. And that's your decision. And you're going to be getting a lawyer, so I suggest you talk to your lawyer about all of these concerns.
I just don't understand the benefit, and I've been around so many lives for way too long. I mean, come on, you know, there's nothing I can do. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how perfect my house is, because the report's going to say, well, I was disheveled and obviously not appropriately dressed, and their schoolwork said nothing. All they had were college age. I mean, I saw you look through the books. You said 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade. I mean, you saw them with your own eyes in front of me, and then something totally different is written in the report to try to make me look like a demon. I'm tired of it. It's not helping me, it's making me look worse. Every time I'm around anyone associated with this, everything gets twisted. And then you guys wonder why I want to record everything. Well, there's a reason, because everything has been lies, and I have everything documented. Nobody cares, though. There was no investigation. There was never, Christy, did you tie up your kids and lock them in the woods? I mean, come on. That's insane.
Okay. So,
yeah, I don't see the benefit of inviting more garbage into my home. And that's what's going on here. It doesn't matter. The truth doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what I bring or what, I mean, what's going to happen? You're going to come to the house and say, oh, looks good. Then you're going to write a few things down. I'm going to see it. Then I'm going to go to court and it's going to say something totally different. So what is the benefit of me inviting anyone into my home anymore?
Okay, so you're saying that you're going to put it in writing that you do not want Children's Division to come to your home.
I didn't say that. I'm asking you, what is the benefit of me allowing anyone else related to this in my home? All it does is backfire. I can't tell you what's going to benefit you or not going to benefit you. I can offer you a service, which is for me to do home visits. And you can take them or not take them, and that is your choice. So you're calling it a service, and I just want to understand here, what kind of service is it to me?
Well, it's an opportunity for you to get to see me face-to-face as your caseworker in your home.
But why?
It's something that the state does for all of the parents. It's something that we offer.
But why? How does it benefit me? You called it a service, and I'm just trying to understand. Services benefit someone, so how does it benefit me?
It allows you to have face-to-face time with your caseworker in your home.
But what's the benefit? I don't get it. Because we have our
time with your caseworker in your home.
So that you can tell me when the next court date is and what they're planning on doing? Or so you can...
Well, I am not the person that's in charge of court, and I don't tell you when court's going to be or what court is going to be about. That is not the role that I play.
So then what are you supposed to tell me? What is your role?
I am a liaison between you and the kids, and I monitor how the children are doing and how you are doing, and I report on that.
Okay, well, nobody's told me anything about how the children are doing.
Chrissy, we talk about the children when I'm in your house.
Really?
And we talked about the children on other occasions because you've expressed yourself that you were concerned about them not eating properly, and I explained to you that the foster parent did have appropriate diet. We have talked about the kids.
Mm-hmm.
But what I need to know right now is whether or not you want me to do a home visit or not, and if you do, let's schedule one, and if not, then I need it in writing.
Yeah, I guess I just need to understand more what these benefits are.
Okay. I don't know how to help you understand that.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just tired of the lies. I mean, are you really going to tell me that what you wrote in that report is true? Is that really what happened in my house?
I believe everything I wrote in those reports are factual.
And you really believe that when you say that you called me or that I supposedly called someone, and you really believe those things?
Yes.
Okay, so then I think it's a no-win situation because we're going to experience something totally different, and then I get to go to court and see what a demon I am and all these things that didn't happen. I've had enough of that, I think.
Okay. So what are you telling me?
No, I just had questions. I want to understand it. But as it is right now, I see no reason to invite any more pain or strife into my life. I don't need any more lies to judges or anyone else. I mean, it's just silly. Wouldn't that be abusing myself?
I don't know. It's all in the perception of the person that's experiencing it.
Well, I don't know. How would you feel if you were being lied about consistently? Would you want to continuously return to the people who were hurting you?
I see it from a different perspective, so I can't answer that question.
Okay, well, that's how I see it. And, you know, these phone calls I supposedly made, I would love to see them produced. I would really love it.
Well, like I've already told you, we don't tape record our conversations.
Okay,
So.
well, can you show me on somewhere on what about a, you know, phone log? I mean, they record everything, every call, every cell phone, everyone does. Every call that goes out, every call that comes in. Same thing with my computer. Even if it's a missed call, it's there, a record forever. There is no record of these calls that you say that you made. In fact, there's records of me panicking, thinking, why won't anyone return my call? I don't know when this meeting is. I don't know where I'm supposed to be. All I know is court is at this time. Yet you say you called me when you didn't. And then say I called you and left messages I didn't.
Okay. Well, I don't think we're getting anywhere in this conversation.
Yeah.
So, because I don't know how to properly answer your questions. And
I just want to know what the benefits are, what the benefits of this service is. Because if the benefits of this service is to invite more strife into my home and be lied about and demonized and twisted around, I don't see that as a benefit. I see that as a severe injustice. I see malice. I see, you know, I see a lot, but it has nothing to do with a service or a benefit.
Well, that is definitely your perspective,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know what to tell you. It's up to you. I can come in and continue to meet with you in your home and have the monthly visits that are being provided to you, or you can kindly decline them.
Did you tell me that I wasn't going to have visits with my children? I mean, today's Wednesday, right?
Well, I don't have any control of the visits, seeing as how your kids are now out of state.
Okay, but you said you're the liaison, and that part of your duties is to report to me about the children, right?
Mm-hmm.
So do you have anything to report?
No. Because
Nothing at all.
this is my first day back. So I haven't actually got to talk to your kids since I've been back. I called you first.
Okay,
So I'm going to
understand.
call and talk to them. And my guess would be that there's a court order in place still for therapeutic visits. So we'll probably have to have a therapist facilitate. But I don't know. I've got to check with legal and the judge and get you answers.
I understand. I appreciate that. Okay. So, well, I mean, I guess I can't ask you any questions of how these therapeutic visits will transpire, but when you find out, I'd love to know.
Okay.
Okay, well, is there anything else that I can do or anything that's required of me, Rebecca?
No.
Okay.
Basically, I just need to know if you would like to have a monthly visit or not, and you can think about it and let me know.
Yeah, I'll just, it'll be a lot easier for me to consider and make an informed decision when I find out what these benefits of the services are.
Okay. Just let me know. And hopefully you'll be getting an attorney soon so they can help make some recommendations for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, you have a good day, Christy.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
You too. Rebecca Pagent. We just hung up 4:55 p.m. Today is August 18, 2010.